don't know if it's because we had a phone call in the middle of it or what.
Oh, wait.
So these guys are going to the bath, even though they're it's just like your microphone.
We have everything we need.
Are you still live streaming?
I am,
Nobody's on, right?
but it didn't work.
Nobody's on.
It didn't work again?
No. I mean, the other one didn't work.
Oh.
It's the green thing.
But like now it's not telling me who's watching.
And then these are like super. That should say that's what.
I don't think it's working properly.
Says that those parts of it. But otherwise you have to stick it in.
Oh, Daddy, spray the fluid stuff. We'll turn the snow underneath of it blue.
I would say any of it.
It's already like freezing over the windshield. Okay, we'll go back to defrost.
And no matter what, all of my guys are always.
Okay, so this is Ankeny Boulevard, Highway 69. We're gonna go north.
See if it feels
One lane kind of clear.
there.
It's definitely crusty out. Crusty, yeah, like freezing quickly.
Daddy, use the fluid.
No, I'm gonna crank up the heat. Crank up the fan.
Kind of.
Yeah. Yeah, they can hear us. Lauren Mott!
Hi, everybody that's watching.
Jared Leonard!
Yay!
It's definitely frosting the window over quick.
Is Curtis watching?
Curtis? No, I don't see Curtis. Struggling to focus. Hello, Lauren. He says, hello, brother. Grandma says hi.
Oh, hi.
Oh yeah, look at those wipers. They're already getting stuck. Getting stuff on them. There's definitely a lot of people out.
I'd like to go to Grandma's
I got the defroster on maximum.
What, honey?
This is First and Ankeny Boulevard.
You want to stay there?
It's coming down. Just crank the wipers up. Crank it up. It's flinging the snow off. Waka! Waka! Here we go, four-wheel drive, baby! Woo! Definitely works. No accidents so far. Yeah. Mara, we have Mara watching. Mara Weatherford. Mara Weatherford. Weather? Does she do the weather? Because her last name's Weatherford? No. She played guitar at youth group this Wednesday. And she's an okay singer. That's funny. She says, "Hey porters, we're almost there. We're gonna make it." There's definitely a lot of people out
They're probably all getting groceries like we are.
getting their last minute groceries before the end of the world comes. That's right. If it's the end of the world, why do you need groceries? Our neighbor Stacy Miller is watching. Mark Rice is watching. Are you feeling better? No, I'm not going to Starbucks. I'm getting groceries. We are in buy only groceries mode after Christmas. No Starbucks.
Wait, Mom got Starbucks.
Mom had $4 of cash in her pocket left over from something yesterday. It was buy one, get one free. And Curtis brought me one yesterday. No, Jason brought me one yesterday. And I got one when I worked. Oh, there's an accident! There's an accident!
Okay, let's.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, you
I
can't.
thought we were getting into
No,
the
no, no. It's right
accident.
there. It's right there. Right there. I don't know if anybody can see it.
It is slippery. It is slippery.
The whole front of that guy was gone.
Wait,
That was
how
definitely.
did he crash? There was only
I don't know. I don't know if any of you guys saw that or not. Boom! Stacy says Hy-Vee was packed at 1 o'clock. There we go.
That's when we should have been grocery shopping. Not during the storm. What, honey?
Daddy, park's super close.
Park super close. I think everybody's probably got that same idea.
I don't know if we're going to have time to go to Grandma and Grandpa's, honey. We have quite a few groceries.
Jared says they can see it. They can see the accident on our camera. Who wants dropped off at the door? Do you have bags?
Yeah, babe. You don't need to strap stuff at the door, though. Unless you want to.
No, I just thought it would be nice.
Oh, okay. God, I forgot my list for a minute. That was my bad.
Wonder how many more inches we'll have once we get out.
I don't know.
Well, let's measure it.
Denver, can I borrow your quarter?
Lacey's watching.
I just
She says
used
hi,
all mine.
family.
Hello.
So am I letting you out? Am I letting you out?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you out so you don't fall in the parking lot.
Here.
Whoever stays needs to grab the bags.
I'm staying.
Actually, yeah, I'm staying. I want to go in the snow.
You want to go in the snow with me?
Yeah, I want to go.
So everybody stayed with me but Ashton and Lydia. Okay.
Hey, Braxton, you need a. Can I sit with your daddy?
Yeah, you can sit wherever you want. We're just parking.
Just
Just parking.
Whoa!
Whoa! Woo!
You're gonna get caught. No, you just. I got nothing wet.
There's a car backing out. There's a car backing out. Well, we actually saw one accident. It
Yeah, I
was
didn't
it
know
was
we were
pretty
even gonna see an accident.
it was pretty trashed.
Yeah, there were just pieces everywhere. I could see just pieces everywhere, and the front was completely just smashed.
Was it?
It was obliterated.
Obliterated?